Hello friends, today we are going to discuss project scheduling with resource constraints. Here we are going to discuss scheduling management. Okay, and we already discussed these things. What is the scheduling? What is the importance of a scheduling? And what are the concept of a scheduling? Here we are going to discuss project scheduling with resource constraint. It is needed when the availability of resources or lack of resources dictate our schedule. A lack of resources may result in resource overloading or stretching. That is true. If resources are if resources are low or not available, so that what is the meaning of that? That should be resource overloading or stretching should be there. So resource scheduling with project scheduling with resource constraint should be there. Now, what is resource overloading? It is often the consequence of poor estimating or simplify that the project has been assigned a low priority. Now, next, resource leveling and resource allocation. Resource leveling is a technique in a project management that overlook a resource allocation and resolves possible conflict arising from over allocation. Exactly. What is this process? We have to what we can say that adjust or satisfied a particular resources, assign a particular resources to a particular task. That why activity or sheet that activity or task should be completed within a timely manner. When project manager undertake a project, they need to plan their resources accordingly. Exactly. Now next one is, this will benefit the organization without having to face conflicts and not being able to deliver on time. Resource leveling is considered one of the key elements to resource management in the organization. Exactly. This is very important. Now next one is, an organization start to face problem if resources are not allocated properly. That is, some resources may be over allocated or under allocated while others will be under allocated. Both will be bring out a financial risk to the organization. So that will be a budget crashing or cost crashing or schedule crashing. The two key elements of the resource leveling are, as the main aim of resource leveling is to allocate resource efficiently so that the project can be completed in the given time period. Hence, resource leveling can be broken down into two main areas: project that completed by using up all resources which are available, and project that can be completed with limited resources. Now next, leveling of resources. Resource leveling helps an organization to make use of the available resources to maximum. The idea behind the resource leveling is to reduce wastage of resources, that is, to stop over allocation of a resources. Now, here the project manager or project developer responsible for these things, resource constraint. The project manager will identify time that is unused by a resource and will take a measure to prevent it or make advantage out of it. Resource leveling and resource allocation. By resource conflict, there are numerous disadvantages suffered by the organization, such as delay in certain tasks being completed, difficulty in assigning different resources, unable to change task dependency to add more tasks, overall delays and budget overruns of a project. Resource leveling technique. There are different resource leveling technique. Are critical path analysis is a common type of a technique used by the project manager. When it comes to resource leveling, the critical path represent for both the longest and shortest time duration. We will discuss these things, critical path analysis or critical path method later. How the particular task is, a particular project path should be critical or not critical. There are some processes are available for the same. The critical path represent for both the longest and shortest time duration path in network diagram to complete the entire project. Now next one is fast tracking and crashing. Fast tracking, what is this? This perform critical path task. This buys time. The prominent feature of this technique is that although that work is completed for the moment, fast tracking it is a technique, but you have to satisfy the customer requirement on time, so you have to buy your time. Now next, crashing. This refers to assigning resources in addition to existing resources. Both techniques are different, fast tracking and crashing. To get work done faster associated with the additional costs such as labor, equipment and etc. You have to satisfy the customer requirement on time. So in crashing method, you have to buy the a labor or resources extra. That's why you have to satisfy the customer requirement on time. So that is for project scheduling and resource constraint. Thank you.